Yeah, it's been a really great time. It's great weather, good vibes.
Really great time. I'm glad I came. Because sometimes in life, you just miss these opportunities. I'm so glad I came.
We're here with our friends that we made at Talibot Halls. Yeah, we've been friends for 30 years.
Really wonderful to be back with my alumni, reminisce the past, and then connect with the future.
It's great to be back for the reunion weekend. It's a great opportunity to meet up with other people and make new friends, really.
I come back with my wife, who I met at Cardiff. We love Cardiff.
Great to come back, see the uni, and been to the SU a little bit today, a couple of pubs in Caerdydd.
Really, really good. I intend coming tomorrow to look at the archives and also visit the student union.
It's a bit nostalgic walking around the city again and walking around where we used to live in the student area.
My favourite memory of Cardiff is making friends that I've now known for 30 years.
My favourite memory would have to be meeting these lot, to be honest.
Walking in the streets, in a chippy lane specifically.
I think being here for a whole weekend, a much better appreciation for what's going on, and it's great to also get more involved with the university.
The SU night, I'm excited to go to a night out in the SU again.